Okay, guys, this is our do-it-yourself movie theater. So I want to show you guys where we're at right now. So, Ron, you got to turn the lights on. Yeah. Okay, so this is a platform. It's gonna be 12 inches high, and then we're looking at what step lighting will look like. So a 6-inch step up to the four chairs here, pony wall, and then a big, huge U-shaped theater couch here with electric. And then we're running a 7.2.4. So what that means is we're gonna have 7 surround speakers. So 1, this is the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're running 2 subwoofers. We got I just ordered them yesterday. 1200 watt continuous power to SBS 4000 sub here. Another SBS 4000 sub here. It's gonna be a 160-inch screen here. And then we're running LED lighting here all the way around hidden. And then we have can lighting here. And then we have, then we have 4 Dolby Atmos speakers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Janie wanted sconces. So it's gonna be a platform, like a tear down shape, right? So you'll have a sconce here, and a sconce here. And then over here is going to be our snack bar. So we have plumbing here. This will all be cabinets. We have a refrigerator over here. And then we'll have cabinets, we'll have a microwave. And Jenny wants to put her popcorn maker up here. And then this will be our rack room. We're gonna build a rack here and have our receiver, our amps, our Kaleidoscape, and got to get internet down here somehow too. That's gonna be a challenge. Anyways, so that's a do-it-yourself, first time ever, trying to put a home theater together. And here's our current situation. So we'll see you guys on the next one.